Achieving $10,000 in just 30 days may seem daunting, but with the right strategies, mindset, and tools, it's entirely possible. Identify a high-demand niche. Focus on industries with significant demand and immediate cash flow potential. Freelancing services like web design, e-commerce through platforms like Shopify, or online courses are excellent options. Leverage skills you already have. Can you write, design, teach, or fix problems? Package these skills into services. Examples include writing articles, virtual assistant services, or online tutoring. Now, choose quick revenue streams like freelancing on Upwork or dropshipping on Shopify. Create profiles on freelancer platforms and market your services through social media. For dropshipping, focus on Facebook ads to promote trending products. Market aggressively through social media and paid advertising to drive income quickly. Collaborate with influencers to promote your offers and ensure maximum visibility. Scale your efforts by upselling services and automating processes once you secure initial sales. Reinvest profits back into marketing efforts and product improvements for continued growth. Research and prepare in the first week, then launch your services and start selling in the second week. Expand your reach in week 3 and scale to $10,000 in the final week with effective strategies. Tools like Canva, Google Ads, and email marketing platforms can help you succeed. Start small, test your ideas, and scale what works to turn this challenge into a profitable success story.